A day trip to Milford Sound is a marathon journey, roughly 12 to 13 hours return, but is widely considered the eighth wonder of the world. The trip combines a scenic coach journey through the Southern Alps with a boat cruise through the fjords. The road to Milford Sound, the Milford Road, is just as spectacular as the destination itself. Most premium operators use custom-built coaches with glass roofs to ensure you don't miss the towering mountain peaks. Te Anau is a picturesque lakeside town in the South Island of New Zealand, widely known as the gateway to Fiordland. It serves as the primary base for travelers visiting Milford Sound and Doubtful Sound, as well as hikers embarking on several of New Zealand's great walks. The name comes from the Maori Te Anau, which translates to the cave of swirling water. This refers to the underground torrents in the nearby caves, which were considered mythical until their rediscovery in 1948. Lake Te Anau is the largest lake in the South Island and the second largest in New Zealand by surface area, 344 square kilometers. It is the largest lake in Australasia by freshwater volume, with a maximum depth of approximately 417 to 425 meters. The Eglinton Valley is a vast, glacially carved valley in Fiordland National Park, located along State Highway 94 between Te Anau and Milford Sound. It is one of the few road-accessible valleys in the region and serves as a major scenic highlight for travelers. The valley was sculpted over millennia by glaciers, resulting in its characteristic U-shape with steep mountain walls and a wide, flat floor. The valley floor is famously covered in expansive beds of native golden tussock grass, creating a striking contrast against the dark, beach-clad mountainsides. It is framed by the Earl Mountains to the west and the Livingston Mountains to the east. The Eglinton Valley served as a filming location for the Fellowship of the Ring, specifically representing the Misty Mountains and the Eregion Hills. The Mitre Lakes are a collection of small, calm lakes located within the Eglinton Valley on the road to Milford. They are world-famous for their near-perfect reflections of the surrounding Earl Mountains. In late July, the entrance to the Homer Tunnel is one of the most dramatic spots in New Zealand. You are standing at an altitude of about 945 meters, surrounded by the vertical granite walls of the Darren Mountains, fully clad in deep winter snow. Standing here at the threshold of the Homer Tunnel in late July, the scale of Fiordland feels overwhelming. The mountains aren't just covered in snow, they are buried under a thick, silent white mantle that makes the granite peaks look like jagged teeth against the winter sky. There's a raw, intimidating beauty to this place, a reminder that we are deep in the heart of a frozen wilderness, waiting for the mountain to let us through. Once you arrive at the Milford Sound Terminal, you board a catamaran or vessel for a 1.5 to 2 hour cruise. The terminal is a vibrant hub where a diverse fleet of vessels which are docked side by side. As you prepare to board, you'll see the crews readying the ships, their white and blue hulls reflecting off the water. Dominating the skyline directly in front of the terminal is the iconic Mitre Peak. Its jagged, triangular silhouette rises almost vertically from the sea, often framed by low-hanging clouds or mist. Even before leaving the dock, The water of the fjord is striking, an ink-dark, tea-colored surface that remains remarkably calm, acting as a giant mirror for the surrounding mountains. The air is filled with a sense of anticipation as travelers from around the world gather at the Milford Sound wharf. Stirling Falls is the second largest permanent waterfall in Milford Sound, plummeting approximately 151 to 155 meters from a high-hanging valley directly into the sea. Captains often steer the bow of the boat directly under a waterfall, giving passengers a chance to feel the spray of ancient glacier water. Unlike the lush green of summer, the Southern Alps are heavily blanketed in pristine white snow. The contrast between the brilliant white peaks and the deep, emerald green rainforest clinging to the lower cliffs is visually stunning. As our vessel turns back toward the wharf, the towering peaks of the fjord seem to slowly close behind us, guarding the secrets of this ancient wilderness. Milford Sound isn't just a place you visit, it's a landscape that stays with you. Leaving these inky dark waters, you carry away a piece of the stillness and the raw power of the Southern Alps.